So, I haven't done anything to my Ultra in a while, and I've been spending all my time on the Vikla. And I actually have wanted for a long time to figure out a better seat for the Ultra. Like, I've been running my CVO seat for a long time on the Road Glide, and I think we have the answer. I sure hope so. Some of you out there already knowing what I'm about to say. So, it was actually one of you that said, Advanblack has seats now. When are you going to get one and try one? Because you want to know if, you know, what I thought. And I'm like, I don't know. I mean, like, I don't call the boss there and just go, gimme. Maybe I should. Well, anyway. So I was chatting about something else, and I said, hey, the seat thing, how's that coming along? And he's like, oh yeah, you'll find out. And I was like, oh, you know, cool. And UPS just pulled up, and I really did not know it was coming. I figured he'd send me one maybe someday, but you know, as a gift to try it out, I don't know. But it's what it was the seat. So let's see. I know it's like red piped and flashy and very cool looking. I know it's got a gel pad. I'll put a link down below to their video on it, because they did a good like tear it apart, show the gel pad thing. You know this channel, I'm too stupid for that. So I'm gonna just open it and we'll see, you know, let's see what we think. This little robot phone holder thing is cool. See if it can keep my face. Oh, look at that. There you go. Woo! All right, sorry. I like to annoy this thing. I don't know what it's going to do when I look away, though. Anyway, we'll see what happens. So, opening rather carefully because... seat. Oh, and missing the tape entirely. I know Nick out there is watching me use this knife he sent as a gift, going like, what in the hell are you doing? Let's see. They're all like, I'm afraid you're going to hurt yourself. So be it. All right. While I have this moment, I didn't mean to do that, but it's funny. While I have this moment, this Thursday night, whatever the hell this Thursday night is, 7th? Yeah, okay. Thursday night the 7th, I'm going to be on the Baggers and Brews live stream. So come on over and, you know, join us and have a lot of beer. I won't be drinking beer because I need to be less fat. So I'll be on whiskey. That's fine. So anyway, let's get into this. Ooh, look, what we got? Hardware. Oh, just a tongue bracket for the rear end. Well, it's chrome. That's cool. That's what I was looking at. There's a chrome tongue bracket there and a sticker. Gotta have a sticker. Grown men, much less bikers, we love stickers. Let's see here. Wrapped up good. Ooh, it's not, okay, it's not super tall. I've seen the videos and the pictures, and that's a good thing, because you guys have heard me say before, like, I like seats to sit kind of low, pretty far back, you know what I mean? That's just my kind of posture I like on the bike. Let's see. Yeah, I just tear into things, I wouldn't even tell. Woo! Dude, the piping's like metallic red. It's not just red, it's red. Honeycomb got a pattern on it. Dude, it's pretty cool looking. Come on there. Scuff it before it's even on the bike. So, there you have it, there you are. Look at that. See what I mean by the piping is not just red, it's got kind of a metallic kind of shine to it. Got like a baseball stitch back here. Still got the pocket, so you can still use like a Harley factory backrest, which is cool, because I think I actually have one over there. I used to have one. That'd be cool. You gotta see the piping. I mean, in real life, it's like almost like iridescent. It's not just like a red piping. That's pretty cool. All right. You know, from the videos, I'd wondered if this was, I couldn't tell if this was sort of like suede or something. Turn, camera. It's not. It's solid, which is cool, because I don't like too much going on. Like if this would have been like a suede or something, that wouldn't have been my kind of thing. But tell I'm doing like an honest, this is what I think. Yeah, I can feel the gel pad in there. It's got a nice bucket to it. And one of the things that they were talking about in the video, stop turning away when I'm trying to, anyway. Gotta see the profile of it there. One of the things that they were touting on the video is, you know, you can stretch your tank. They sell those, I don't have them on my bike, but that you can stretch the tank to match the stretch side covers and stretch bags and all stuff. And their stretch side covers are the only ones that accept stock cut seats for road glides and street glides. And this is the same sort of tongue shape. up front. So this will still work with their stretch tanks if you got that stuff or want to get that stuff. Let's pop it on. I completely forgot. The other box that was sent was the backrest pad. And I was thinking, I don't know, I honestly don't know what's in here because I have a chopped that I run Advanblack's chop pack, but I also have my King right there. So I don't know which one's in here. We'll find out rather quickly. And that'll dictate which tour pack I'm running, right? Yeah, things not match. Let's see here. What we got in here? Again, let's not cut the brand new upholstery. Stop! Yeah, okay. This ain't call us, not where you got it from. Well, I got it from you. So. All right, this looks like a King. Let's see. So, is that what that is? Or does this fit on the top? I don't know. Why is this thing not following me anymore? Am I that ugly? Hello? Okay, well, whatever. So, here you have the, what are you doing? This, okay, I'm not an expert, all right? Come on, what is happening? Okay, whatever. So, this does have a sort of like, what is that? Sort of a feltish, what do they call it stuff when it's like suede in your headliner? Not Lycra. That's what women who shouldn't wear it. Anyway, Alcantara, I don't remember. But it's got that strip of cloth in the middle, which is cool. I just wouldn't want it on my seat because I don't think it would hold up. But that's pretty slick. So this is a King. Let's see if it fits on my chop pack or whether I got to pull down the King pack or, you know, whatever. Okay, I just verified this is in fact for my King pack. So I'm not gonna switch all the packs out just to have it all match. I'm gonna go ahead and put the seat on. I'll do this later on the King pack. I'm pretty using it pretty soon, I'm sure. So that is the King pack backrest pad. I'm sure they make it chopped also, but I gotta get that still. So let's do some switcheroos. All right, so I put it on, I gotta buy this on. So I put it on the bike. Let's just do a look test. Now, you've heard guys heard me say before, the look test is part of it, but it's really about how well does it ride. So we're gonna find that out today because personally I'm about to lose my mind. I gotta get on the bike. So let's take a look. So there's your look test. What do you think? Looks pretty good to me. I mean, what it does is it shows me that I definitely am probably ready to take this bike to the next level. I still got to get a better pipe because that one roasts my flesh while riding and I'm not a fan of that. But I really need rims, I think, and to get a new pipe. And then she's pretty much done, I think, you know, to be an everyday rider. I've been riding the the Vicla bike so much that, you know, not as much of an issue. That guy's been parked, so I'm going to dig it out today just because I want to take it for a ride. I want to check that out. I can tell you seating position right now. I kind of thought when I saw it online, it looked like the seating position would be very similar to a stock road glide or street glide seat, whether it be a special or standard, doesn't matter. As long as it's not an ultra. It looked like a, you know, a road glide, a street glide seat. I honestly, I mean, this is my opinion. I don't think it is. As far as the seating position, it feels a little lower, and if you look at that area right here, it's thicker for what it seems to me on a stock road glide street glide seat. So I really do think that it's slammed down a little lower and maybe an inch back, which is exactly what I like, because I did sit on it. Of course, you have to. You put a new seat on, you jump on it, sit. Gel pad feels great, quality feels great, and the seating position's pretty much right where I like to be. It reminds me a lot of the CVO seat I took off of it. So that gel pad might make the difference, and I might have the perfect seat now. So let's gear up and hit the road. I got to figure out a camera thing, or maybe I'll just throw this on there for a while, and we'll come back and talk about it or something, because I don't want to mic up. I'm sorry. I love y'all, but damn. Sorry there was no voiceover during that. I didn't want to mic up and all that crap while wearing a helmet, but until anyway, just this once. Anyway, verdict. I can't figure out what the seating position is. I don't want to be yelling out in my front yard, so let me go out. Let me take a look at it real quick though. But there it is out in the sun, so you can see it better. But see what I mean by there's like an iridescence or something to the piping? It's cool. Can't wait to get the backrest on. Again, I've got the big one for the King, but I'm not going to change tour packs right now. It's just too much effort. So when that comes, I'll switch that out. But at least I will have both for both tour packs. But so let's go inside and talk. So I keep trying to figure out, when I was at red lights and stuff, I went on about a 40-mile loop. And I can tell you that comfort-wise, it's great. That gel pad's fantastic. I can't tell if the bike is really smooth or if it's the seat's gel pad that's doing a good job of pulling out vibration. And full disclosure, the reason why is I haven't ridden the Ultra in a couple of weeks. I've been riding the Vikla everywhere. So I'm like, man, this bike rides great. This seat's amazing. And I'm like, is it the seat? Is it the fact that I can't tell, because that old twin cam vibrates. But you could feel the gel pad in there in a really good way. You could feel it in a great way. No. And I could tell that it's definitely, in my opinion, it definitely feels further back than like a stock Street Glide or Road Glide seat. I want to say it's a little lower, but I can't tell because at a red light, I was not like completely flat-footed on the Ultra, and I feel like I normally, so it's not high by any stretch. I know, I'm sorry. It's not, you know, high in elevation. I don't think it's as full height as it is on like a regular, again, Road Glide or Street Glide seat, but it's not quite as slammed as my CVO seat, which I think is kind of right there in the happy medium. I like it in the happy medium. So it feels really good. One thing I definitely like about it is I think that the foam that they use plus the gel pad makes for a softer seat, and that's how I like a seat. So when I've bought seats in the past, certain brands of seats are hard and they conform to you over time, and that's fine, and those can be great. Like Corbin's, for example. Corbin's a hard seat, but it does conform to you over time. And they're great, right? Other brands like Mustang, they're really soft seats, right? That's what this feels like. It feels like that kind of softness, which is what I definitely prefer in a seat, especially on a touring bike. So the verdict, it's phenomenal. You know what? Let me check out and check back in a second. I don't know how much this thing costs. Okay, I went and looked it up just now, and I can tell you now I really like the damn seat, and I'll tell you why. It's a deal. I had no idea what the price was going to be. The seat is available in the red stitch like I've got, orange stitch, blue stitch, or black if you don't want any color at all. They do just solid black. The seat's only $429. Because I think like a Super Tour, aren't they $7-ish? So $429 for the seat. I looked up the tour pack pads. The King pack pad, like I've got the red one that I showed a second ago that matches this for the King pack, the one that wraps around, the big one, is $329. And the chopped pad, which I think goes on the chopped tour pack or the Razor, that matches that seat, again, red, orange, blue, black, is $229. Like I'm biased. I know I'm biased because the boss at Advanblack, I like him. He's a good dude. We're friends now. But it's a great seat. It's comfortable as hell. It looks great. It's cool. I like that it pushes me to something a little flashier than I normally would get. Like your normal stitch seats are just stitch, but the piping and stuff, my initial reaction was like, oh wow, that's out there. But I'm like, I like it now. It elevates the whole bike, right? And the gel pad works great. It's soft, and I think softer than like a stock Road Glide, Street Glide seat, so I like a soft seat. Seating position, I swear, isn't as high, and I know it's further back. It's gotta be. Good lower back support, something I noticed rolling out 80. You can still use the stock backrest, which again, I think I have the bracket from an old bike over there. So you could still do that. And then the value for the thing, $429 for the seat, $329 for the King Tour Pack pad, and $229 for the regular, smaller ones, not the regular, the smaller ones that chopped. That's a steal, man. So would I buy one of these? You're just gonna have to believe me. Yeah, I'd buy one of these. I like that seat a lot. So thanks again for my buddy there at Advanblack for thinking of me and sending this to me. Try it out, guys. You're gonna like this thing. I really think you will. So that's it on this. Let me know down below your thoughts, concerns, questions, whatever. If you have a specific detailed question, I'll put a link to their like advanced review that Advanblack did, like taking it apart and showing the foam and all that. But if you have a question, ask me. I'll see if I can get an answer. So, and I can tell you what it fits. It fits 08 and 08. Monkey thinks about apes all the time. 08 and up. Road King, Street Glide, Road Glide, Ultra. You know, like mine's a 21. I could throw it on the wife's 19 CVO right now, which it would probably look really cool in that bike because the red piping against the red strap. She's gonna steal my damn seat. I just know it. I just thought of that. She is gonna steal that seat because it would look really freaking cool on her bike. Anyway, all right, so that's it. Take care of each other out there. We'll talk real soon. Bye.